Yes, babe, I totally have a new car.
Really?
Yeah. Remember that blue Jeep I showed you a picture of?
You bought that car? You said it cost too much money.
What? No way. When you told me you wanted to show up at the dance in my brand new car, I said money is no object. I'll take it.
Really? Jason, that's so sweet of you.
Hey, I'm just a really awesome guy.
Don't push it.
Sorry.
Well, anyway, I'm so excited for tomorrow night then. Everyone is going to be so jealous when we pull up in your fancy new car. I can't wait to see the looks on all their faces.
You bet.
Well, I'll talk to you tomorrow then, Jason.
Okay.
Good night. Hello?
Dude, you gotta help me get a new car. So, let me get this straight. You told Lindsey that you bought a brand new car? Yes. And you told her that you would drive her in that brand new car to the dance tonight in it? Uh-huh. But in reality, you not only don't have a new car, but you also have absolutely no money to buy one? Correct. You're dumb. I'm sorry. Look, I just wanted to impress her. Imagine how awesome of a boyfriend I would look if I did have one, though. But you don't. I know, that's the only problem. So what are you gonna do? Go back to that dealership where you saw that green Jeep you showed her a picture of? First off, it was blue. And second, no way. Remember, I'm flat broke. And thirdly, don't worry, I have a plan. Oh no. I was up late last night and I saw this guy was getting rid of a Jeep that looks just like the one Lindsey thinks I have. So, some random guy is just getting rid of one. Yeah, that's what it seems like. Is this like that one time you clicked on that email that told you that you won a new Princess Barbie movie and ended up giving your computer a virus? Shh! We don't talk about that. No, this is the real deal. An advertisement popped up for it when I was watching the new Princess Barbie movie. Hello? Dude, no one's even here. Wait. Hello? We're here to buy the Jeep for sale? Is anyone here? The Jeep, you say? Oh my God, who are you? Did you say you were here to buy the Jeep for sale? Yes. Excellent. Come with me. This is it. Oh my God. This is the Jeep? Yep, this is the Jeep. This is perfect. It looks just like the one I told Lindsey I bought, right? The blue one. I'd say it's more green. Right? Oh, whatever. It's perfect. How much is it?
How much you got?
Dylan, how much money do you have on you? I don't know, like $5? We have $5. Deal. Great. Wait, what? You're just gonna sell him this car for practically nothing?
Oh yeah.
Why? What? What's wrong with it? Who cares what's wrong with it? As long as it runs. It does run, right?
Oh, it runs alright,
Jason, there's obviously something very wrong. Aren't you just a little concerned here? I guess. What's wrong with it?
Oh, nothing. There's a couple rumors here and there, that the Jeep is a little, haunted, whatever.
Haunted?
Or whatever.
This changes everything. Does it have radio?
Oh, yeah.
Then I'll take it. Dylan, pay the nice man. Oh my God! You weren't lying. You really bought a new car? Yep. What'd tell you? Isn't she a beauty? Sure. Look, I'm just so impressed that you weren't lying to me. Of course not. Now, let's get you to that dance, shall we? We shall. Oh wow, it even has radio. Of course. Oh, you have a CD in. What were you listening to? I do? That's Dylan's. He's weird. No, you make a left up here. Oh, right. Jason, you went the wrong way. I didn't do that. What? Garbage General? Pick up bags? What is this, Jason? I have no idea. What do you mean you have no idea? I don't. I think I'm just gonna go pick up the bags. Jason, you can't just take that. That was weird. Super weird. Can we just go to the dance now? Of course, yeah. Well, you're still going the wrong way. Give me a second. Great. Now it wants you to take a shovel? What do you need a shovel for? Maybe shovels are the new trend right now? Did you really just say that? I don't know. Alright, listen, this isn't funny anymore, Jason. Are you sure? It seems pretty funny. Jason, don't you dare take that wheelbarrow. But it said please this time. This is getting really strange now. This is the last thing, I swear. Now where? Where are we going now? Oh, I wish I could tell you. A graveyard? So we're bringing a shovel, a wheelbarrow, and garbage bags to a graveyard? No, turn around now. I want to go home. I can't. Why not? Because this car is haunted. Haunted? Yes, I bought a haunted car. Why would you do that? Because I really didn't buy a new car. At least, not the one I told you I did. Yesterday, Dylan and I found some guy who was throwing this one away for $5, and he said it was haunted. What? I'm sorry.
You made it!
What?
Oh goody, you got all my stuff!
Your stuff? What's going on?
Oh, well, I've been controlling your car with this here controller. Huh? You know, I had you run a few errands for me.
Errands? Why do you need a shovel, garbage bags, and a wheelbarrow?
Oh, well, you see, I run a farm here.
Graveyard Farms?
Yeah, it's my last name.
Oh?
Yeah, I needed a wheelbarrow and a shovel for planting and digging the crops.
And the garbage bags?
Oh, well, I just collect garbage bags for fun.
Right.
Don't worry, you didn't steal nothing. I'm buddies with the store owners. They left the stuff for me to pick up.
So, you had me pick it up?
Yep,
Using a controller?
yep,
On the blue Jeep you sold me?
it's green.
And told me was haunted?
Oh yeah.
Well, great. You made us late for the dance we were supposed to be going to.
Oh wow. I didn't know that. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Well,
Hey, let me make it up to you.
how? How could you possibly do that?
Well, what if you showed up in a limo? My neighbor owns a limo rental company.
Well, that's convenient. But you really think that would make up for what you just... A limo, you say? What? Give us a second. Jason, look, it was gonna be really cool if we showed up in your car, but how awesome would it be if we showed up in a limo? Are you serious? Yeah. And I mean, I would totally forgive you for lying to me. Well, take it.
Great. Let me just go talk to him.
Oh, can I drive? Never mind.